Welcome to CinemaCraft. We recently brought 3 iPhone lenses including a macro, a fisheye and also a wide angle lens, and we're going to see if it's worth your money. Here we go. So we have this orange and we're going to test out the 3 types of lenses. First of all, we're going to test out the macro. Okay guys, we're about to go on to the fisheye. We're about to go on to the wide angle lens. Overall, I think this is a great little buy you can get for about £10 here in the UK. Link in the description below on what we are using, and yeah, it allows you to fit some lenses in your pocket, allows you to take loads of different photos in different environments, and yeah, I think they're great. And if you want to see our setup in the next video, then drop a like, it's hugely appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Boom.